Hello, this is Mark McDaniel, and we're going to be covering a how to subscribe through iTunes University to a course that I need you to complete on preparing and writing research papers. Normally, in the orientation seminar that you would normally attend on campus, we would go through these issues and spend a day covering them. So what we have is I found a very good course on in iTunes University, and I want to just show you very quickly. If you don't have iTunes, I'm assuming, and maybe you do, and if you do, then just skip over this part and go right through it. But in case you don't have iTunes, I wanted to show this to you. So if you have a Mac or a PC, you can get iTunes. But if you go over here and what I'll do is I'll just go to Google here. And as soon as Google pops up here, what I want you to do is we're going to download. I'll have you download iTunes if you don't have it already downloaded to your computer. And so we'll just type in download iTunes. Okay. And notice here you'll go to the Apple iTunes page. And there'll be an option for you to download iTunes now, and it will, I think, it'll detect if you're on a Mac or on a PC, and you just download and you install it. And now, one thing you want to make sure you do is if you, if you don't want to get email from them or that kind of information, you go ahead and unclick these things, and so that will download iTunes onto your computer. What I want to do next is bring up iTunes here, and I'm gonna give you a peek into my little iTunes universe. I've got quite a bit of stuff, but when you log in, you want to go to the iTunes store. Once you get it all established, and you'll have to set it up with a credit card, but this course is free. As you can see, I've already got it brought up here, but let me back out and show you how I found it. But it's a free course, and so I want to encourage you to to go ahead and subscribe to it, and it will download these lessons onto your computer. So if you have a slower computer, you want to pick one at a time. Otherwise, if you have a fast or not smaller or computer, but your internet connection. What you do is when you open up, you want to make sure that you click on iTunes Store here. You'll notice with my mouse. And then you want to go all the way over here to iTunes University as soon as this gets established here. Now, when you install this, you want to make sure if you don't want iTunes to be your default music and video and all that kind of player, make sure when you install it that you signify that. But if you notice here, and this is, I don't know if you've ever accessed anything related to iTunes at all, but it's got some very interesting courses. But all I did, I went up here to search, and I typed in writing a research paper. So writing a research paper, and here under iTunes U, we'll click See All, and we'll find this course. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but it's this English course, Florida State College at Jacksonville. We're going to click on that, and this is the course I want you to download. Now, what you can do this individually. Again, if you have a slower download internet connection. Notice these are videos that are about close to 30 minutes each, and I want you to watch all 24 of these and then email me back when you're completed with that. And this will, again, you have a 2 to 3 hour orientation seminar that this would normally compensate, that we're not meeting on campus, so you can do this individually. But you can go up here, you can subscribe, or you can get tracks, or you can do them individually. And all I did is I downloaded the first lesson. And what happens is up here in your library and under iTunes U, let me show you that real quick. When you download courses, you can see here I've got another class up here, but I've downloaded this one, and here's the course here, the first one, and you just double click on this, and it will. Let me see if I can.
It conveys your reactions to the
So
world around you.
here's an example of what the course looks like. I think I've got the volume, the computer volume off, but
there's no room.
so it's a nice video and gives you introduction to some different concepts and whatnot. So again, I'd like for you to go in here, back here to the iTunes store, and I want you to download each of these 24 lessons. You can download and watch and download and watch, and then just give me an email saying that you've completed this. And while you're working on this course, I'll be developing the syllabi for the two, the one or two classes that you're in, so that you can you'll be able to get started. And again, we're going to push those due dates into the summer. Right now, normally you wouldn't have anything to do during the summer, but I'm going to, because of this orientation course, I wanted you to get started with this first, so that you'll have a heads up on and a refresher on those kinds of things. And so pretty much that is going to be it. If you have any questions, please please let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any of them. So thank you very much. And I think that's here we go. Stop record. All right. Have a good day, and again, email me if you have any questions. Thank you.